Lungsod in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precinct CEF number 20-A, garnered by each candidate. Name of winning candidates: Dumagoso Joaquin, 114,593 votes. Taga Jesus Fajardo, 108,710 votes. Bansay Nieva, 105,063 votes. Irma Alfonso, 88,902 votes. Colonel June Ibay, 85,561 votes. And Magba Limuel, 73,426 votes. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidates as the duly elected members ng Sangguniang Lungsod, NCR City of Manila, 1st District, the Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we have fixed our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila, this May 13, 2025, 6:33 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jerry Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni T. Lim, Vice Chairperson, and Teresa Lumenda, Member Secretary. Congratulations, sirs.